Hello, my tiny tots. How are you doing today? I hope you're doing fine and having fun watching my videos. Are you having fun? Okay, so let's start our today's class. Welcome back to Learn Verbatim. Hi, kids. Wear the cap. In today's class, we are going to study about animals. You know what are animals? And you all must have seen animals. So we are going to study about animals today. Okay? I know you will enjoy it. Let's start. Okay, so the first topic is sounds of animals. You know, each animal gives different sounds, right? The first one is horse. What's the sound of a horse? It neighs. Okay, that's called neighs. Horse sound is called neighs. Okay. Next is this duckling, and duckling quack quacks. Okay, sound of quack. When a duckling says something, it quacks. It quacks like this. Come on, everyone, quack with me. Quack 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 like this. Okay. Next is cat. Cat meows. Cat meows like meow, like this. Make a sound. Next is dog. Dog barks. Dog barks. Next, monkey. Monkey chatters. Monkey chatters. Monkey sound is called chatters. Next is hen. Hen cackles. Hen cackles. Next is lion. Lion roars. Okay. The sound of a lion is called roars. Next is sheep. Sheep bleats. Sheep sound is called bleats. Last is elephant. You know, class, elephant is the biggest animal on the earth. Yes, and its sound is trumpets. Okay, animal sound is called trumpets. Okay, so next topic is, let us know how domestic animals can help us. Here are some farm animals and some pet animals. You know, every animal over here help us in some way. Okay, that's why they are called domestic animals or farm animals. So first is cow or buffaloes. These are our pet animals or our domestic animals, that is farm animals. Okay, domestic animals में दो टाइप के एनिमल्स होते हैं. फर्स्ट इज फार्म एंड सेकंड आर पेट. ओके, this is cow and buffalo. You know, cow gives us milk. Yes, everyone here drinks milk. Yes, so milk is very important for our body and for our bones. It makes us stronger and healthier. Okay, you should drink milk every day. So milk कहाँ से आता है? Milk आता है cow and buffalo से. Okay, so cow gives us milk. Next is sheep. Next is sheep. Sheep gives us wool. We wear woolen clothes. Woolen clothes are made up of wool. And wool कहाँ से आता है? Sheep से. Sheep gives us wool. Next is eggs. You eat eggs? Yes, some of you eat eggs. So eggs come from hens. Okay, eggs come from hens. Hens gives us eggs. Next is dogs. These are dogs. Dogs guard our house. Whenever some thief come for robbery, so this dog barks and then thief run away. Okay, so these dogs guard our house. यानी protect करते हैं dog. Okay. Next is silk. You know, silk is a fabric. It's a cloth. Okay. And ये कहाँ से आता है? Silkworm से. Okay. Silk come from silkworm. Next is honey. Yes, we also eat honey. Honey come from honeybees. Okay. Honeybees make honey. Next is elephant and horse. Elephant and horse carry loads. वो हमारा सामान उठाते हैं. ओके, लोड कैरी करते हैं. कौन कौन? Horse, elephant and donkey also carry our loads. Okay, so these animals help us, okay? They help us. Some animals gives us something, some animals carry our loads. So every animal here gives us something and are very important for our life. Next is food. You know, all the animals eat something. तभी तो वो जिंदा रहते हैं ना, उनको भी खाना चाहिए होता है. So वो क्या खाते हैं? Some animals eat only plants. कुछ animals just plants eat करते हैं. कौन कौन से? Sheep, elephant, cow, goat, parrot, rabbit, horse. These are the animals who only eat plants, and you know these animals are called herbivores. Okay, इन animals को हम बोलते हैं herbivores. जो animals बस plants ही खाते हैं और कुछ नहीं खाते, ठीक है, उन्हें हम बोलते हैं herbivores. Okay, so these animals are called herbivores animals. Okay, next are some animals eat flesh of other animals. कुछ animals ऐसे होते हैं जो दूसरे animals को ही खा जाते हैं या फिर उनका flesh, उनकी muscles खा जाते हैं, ठीक है. वो animals कौन कौन से होते हैं? Like lion, cat mouse खाती है, right? Fish, bird, crocodile and snake. Okay, snake खाता है frog and crocodile खाता है snake को. Okay, these are some of the dangerous animals. Okay, these animals eat other animals and इन animals को हम बोलते हैं carnivores. Okay, we call them carnivores animals. जो animals दूसरे animals को eat करते हैं, that are called carnivores animals. Now last is some animals eat both plants and flesh of other animals. ये वाले कौन से animals हैं? जो plants भी eat करते हैं और जो other animals को भी eat करते हैं. Like a panda, ठीक है? Like bear, panda, bear, crow, peacock. These are the animals that eat plants also and other animals also. Like this peacock क्या eat कर रही है? Plants. Now in this peacock it is eating other animal, a snake. Okay, so these are the animals which eat both plants and other animals. And इन animals को हम बोलते हैं omnivores. Okay, we call them omnivorous animals. Okay, these are herbivorous, carnivorous and omnivorous. Okay, you will learn about them in detail when you will get bigger. Okay, okay, now next is color the correct box. See what the dog is doing. The dog is guarding the house. Yes, it's correct. Dog guard our house. So we will color the green box here. Okay, like this. See, cat is carrying the loads. No, cat हमारा सामान खाती है क्या? No, it's wrong. We will color on wrong. Like this. Okay. Next is it's a horse. Horse milk देता है क्या? No, horse doesn't give us milk. It's wrong. Next is sheep is carrying the loads. No, sheep give us wool. Again, it's wrong. Okay. See, elephant, what is doing? Elephant is eating the mouse. Elephant can eat the mouse? No, elephant cannot eat the mouse. It's wrong. And last one is camel. Camel is carrying our goods, our loads. Yes, camel also help us in carrying the loads for us. Okay, so it's right. Alright. Next is match the animals to their food. We have to match their animals to their food. Okay. See, first is elephant. Elephant eats what? Tell me. Elephant eats plants. You will match elephant with the plant. like this. Next is snake. Okay. Next is the snake. Snake eats what? What does the snake eat? That I will tell you. Next is the bear. Next is bear. Bear eats honey. Okay. Bear eats honey. Next is the rabbit, bunny. So bunny eats carrot. Okay. And snake eats rats. Snake eats mouse. It's the food of snake. Okay. So elephant's food is plants. Snake food is rat. Bear food is honey and rabbit's food is carrot. Okay. So we have done this activity. Okay class, that's it for today. Now I will see you in the next class, but you have to revise the chapter. You have to learn the chapter animals. Okay. Children, happy learning. Bye bye. Take care.